Kia ora, ko Jamus ahau. My name is Jamus. I am the Director of Māori Performing Arts Academy at Rotorua Boys High School and also the Cultural Performance Manager at Tāmaki Māori Village.
Tēnā koe, ko Kimiora Webster tōku ingoa, ko au te tumuaki o te kura o te whānau a Apani.
Sion!
Mamai tā. Yeah, so I was attacked by a dog at the back of...
What type of dog?
Or Alsatian, brown and black. Yep, and anyway, attacked by the dog, but the dog had just had puppies, so it was protecting its, keeping its own whānau safe as well when you look at it like that. Attacked me, then I ended up in hospital, and then mum and dad were of course there to support me through that time, and then I ended up being out of school for 5 days with legs wrapped up in bandages and stuff. But yeah, Dad had his own way of trying to protect us from the dog and stuff like that after the fact.
Yeah, but what was one of the things that you can remember that helped with your recovery?
Dad telling us, boy, it's kaita boy, get through it.
Yeah.
You're still gonna walk.
Because I remember that too, because you had that big hole in the side of your leg and they put salt water in there. Can you give us...
No, the only salt water was the ones coming out my eyes.
Then you should have been like this.
Yeah, just going like that in my leg. Nah.
You're like Harry Potter, the Phoenix. Rise from the ashes.
Yeah, rise from the ashes.
Yeah, te wa your pano.
And stayed like the ash. Now back to the kaupapa man, safety. Yeah, so during the dog attack, there was one big hole in the side of my leg. And
it was pretty deep too, right?
Oh, well, I look quite flexible, but I couldn't see it. It was just in the wrong place where I could see it, but yeah, it was pretty deep. And then I had just teeth marks, not just teeth marks, but teeth marks around the bottom, around my calf muscles.
Well, during our upbringing, is that they try to prevent us from getting hurt, you know, before the incident happened. You know, and understanding, so when it came to you getting bitten by the dog, you know, then the dad was like, and then we would reflect back and go back to, well, how did it start? Should you have been on that side of the fence, going to pick up those puppies? Yeah,
it was I think around that time it was mum and dad were trying to protect us from getting into any little situation that they could already see was going to hurt us. So yeah, like what you said, they'll reflect on why we got hurt, how we got there, and then they'll make sure that they never put us in that situation again to protect us so that we never got hurt again.
Well, then it's now filtered down to our own kids, eh?
Yep. Yeah. Oh, it's filtered down to us, and then now we're filtering it into our kids.
Which is good teachings.
Yeah. Yeah, well, it's all about safety at the end of the day and keeping our kids safe.
And because us as being Māori as well, it's like, it's not until a tragedy happens that we start to, oh, maybe we shouldn't have done it.
Yeah.
You know, but it's trying to foresee that an incident and something can happen or someone could get hurt, that we've got to prevent it before it does occur.
Well, and it's all in all of the old stuff, like all of the stuff that mum and dad try to get us to do, or made us do when we were younger, growing up in Te Ao Māori, you know. So te hāhi ringatu with te kōti rikirangi, being, you know, he foresaw what he wanted to do with the hāhi. Same with Murumu Tahu Pōtiki Rātana. He premonised about his hāhi as well. So that's what mum and dad were trying to do, but just for us and our little hāhi. Yeah. But anyway, that was cool. Mum and dad always kept us safe, no matter what we done, and the pai ora was always around everything that we done.
You know, there was an awesome conversation, you know, and discussion with the bro. Reassures me that we were on the right track, you know, as in being raised in our identity and with Te Ao Māori, and how powerful it is.
And then it made me reflect about my own injuries of being attacked by the dog and the trauma of me of getting over and getting used to dogs again. So it was an interesting time to reflect on childhood days, because now, you know, we're so busy in our lives, we don't get time to stop and to reflect about how our upbringing actually was.